Daddy
and
Kittens.
皮肤的，对，它现在在蜕皮了。对。
Done! All stems. Okay, well done.
We can have how many stems?
Oh, how many stems do we have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. Wow! Let's go. Which one? Red one, you choose? Okay. Choose any color different, yes. All right. Let's see what we have after your stamps. What is this? Ooh, what do you have? Raccoon. All right. Ooh, very good. Flowers. Hi! Today we make chestnut animals. To make chestnut animals, we need chestnuts. Also, we can use calyx or some fruit. We need leaves. We need ornamental grass. We need shell nuts. We need matches. Don't forget, you cannot use the matches if your parents are not around. We need toothpicks. We need swabs. We need twigs. We need many small eyes. We need nail. And of course, we need wire cutters. Are you ready, guys? Yes!
Don't forget wash your hands after you touch the animals. Sponsored by IQ English.